Tashi Delek. My name is Tenzin Samphel and I'm going to speak about Salween River. Gyamong Ngulchu is a Tibetan name for Salween River. Salween starts from the Tibetan mountain plateau and travels 2,815 kilometers until it reaches to Andaman Sea. It flows through Tibet, China, Myanmar and Thailand. Salween is home to the highest number of dams planned by the Chinese government, even bigger than the world's largest hydropower dam, the Three Gorges Dam. Salween's sheer drop at lower Tibetan part of Yunnan is nicknamed as Grand Canyon of the East with 13,000 feet drop. One of the most diverse ecoregions in the world is supported by the Salween drainage. There are 7,000 species of plants and many plants and animal species are endemic to the region and 80 species are endangered or near extinction, including rare species of turtles, pandas and other plant species. In fact, China's 50% of animal and plant species are from the region where salweens flow. Salween provides livelihood of approximately 7 to 10 million people and many of them are native. To this day, China has ignored the United Nations Conventions on the Law of Non-Navigational Use of International Watercourses and prevented to regulate development, management, use of transboundary waters of Salween. Today, Salween is facing ecological disaster by logging, mining and building of giant hydropower dams, deforestation, pollution, coastal erosion, urbanization and global warming. When you drink water from your bottles, think of Tibet, the source of major rivers of Asia. Water security is basic human rights and China's thirst for urbanizations and dams buildings are killing millions of people. We urge the Chinese government to stop unnecessary wastage of water and unsustainable urbanization. Speak up now, speak for water security for the future of the planet. Soon, the third pole on the roof of the world may no longer able to support 2 billion people in the world if action is taken to avoid this continuous degradation of ecosystems of Tibet. Pejalo, Tuchena, thank you.